Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on Facebook post. So for this purpose, first you need to open Facebook app on your mobile phone. Then here you have this picture icon at the right side at the top, tap on it. Once you tap on it, this will pop up. Here you need to choose any video or picture which you want to upload. So here I choose this. Here tap on that picture or video which you want to upload, then tap on done button. Once you done this, then tap on next button, then tap on post button at the top right corner. Once you done this, your picture is uploading. Once it's done, then tap on these three dots at your post. Then this will pop up. Here you have the option of who can comment on your post. Tap on it. Then here you have four options: public, established followers, profiles and pages you follow, profiles and pages you mention. So it's your choice. You can choose public, established followers, profile and pages you follow, or profiles and pages you mention. But for turning off comments on Facebook posts, you have to click on profiles and pages you mention. Once you done this, then tap on done. So that's how you can turn off comments on Facebook. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.